Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into the Razagramming YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a VS Code extension. The intent of this VS Code extension is to enable you to write your Pandas code faster. So what I've done with this VS Code extension is to put together like a quick curation of essential commands that would be useful for people using the Pandas Python package. And the way to kind of look for it is to go to your VS Code and look at the extensions scheme of things and search for Pandas Basic. I've already searched for that, so you can see that on my screen here. And once you search for that, it should pull this up for you. So essentially, it will list out all the essential shortcuts that you will be working with. And as you can see, these have been prefixed with PD, which I felt was like a fitting prefix for this extension. And it's kind of useful to get to your commands faster than you would otherwise. So let me show a brief demo of what this really looks like. So once you have this installed, I'm going to navigate to main.py, and then I'm going to do PD and then imp, which does the pandas import for me. And you can see the package has been imported there. Okay, once you do that, the next step would be ideally to kind of read a data set or something. And in my case, I have pulled down a data set from a very popular website called kaggle.com. People in the data realm definitely know this, and it's just a sample data set just to give you an idea of how to kind of go about with using this VS Code extension. So let's do a quick read of that. So I'm going to do read CSV, since I know this is a CSV formatted file. So once I do that, it's going to and I've set up the sample file. The way this command has been set up is that the tab is set up on the file name itself. So if you do that once again, if you do read CSV, and once you start typing, it's going to start from that location. So you see, it's kind of trying to enhance your productivity. So let's go back to our sample.csv. The next thing I want to do is I want to read a few rows from this data set. And the way I'm going to do that is do first X rows. All right. And there you have it. And certain comments have been added in these snippets just to give you a little bit of more perspective of what's happening over there. So it's working with the assumption that df is your data frame that you have loaded from this specific file. So let's go ahead, save this, and quickly switch to our, in my case, it's my command prompt or the shell. And let's do a run of this file. And there you see it, the first 5 rows. So this extension, or this VS Code extension, has a lot of useful commands that you can work with. And the way to kind of go about exploring that, one is again going back to the documentation over here, which has all these shortcuts listed out. Apart from that, you can come here and let the IntelliSense kind of assist you over here. So once you type in PD, it's going to show you all the commands that are associated with it. So I hope this has been useful, and it's going to help you enhance your productivity in some way. And I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions on this one. I would say keep this extension downloaded on your machine, installed on your VS Code installation. And I will keep pushing these upgrades and enhancements pretty frequently, so that all of this can keep getting updated, and you will have new commands and new snippets and new shortcuts coming in. So wish you all the best with your development, and hope this helps you enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching.